Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another card making video. Today I am creating botanical card which is made out of the Spring Botanic collection by Stamperia. It is a lovely collection in green and dusty pink colors. It's got some browns as well and many elements to cut out, so you can create many layers. You've got ready embellishments to go on your card. It is very lovely. And for the first layer on my card I am actually using the paper which is on the back of the on the back of the cover. And for my second layer, the one with beige colors, it's got some strips, some stains, very lovely. And the first one I'm going to adhere with liquid adhesive, and the second layer I am going to attach with the double-sided foam pads, just to give it a distance between layers. And also I am ripping off the bottom of my second layer, even creating like a hole, and ripping some paper off so I can have a little piece of lace underneath that, just for fun. No reason. I thought it would be nice to create something, different on the bottom. And then I will start to create a composition on that layer. I've got a tag and spider and also a beetle and butterfly which I cut out of the paper collection. Also I have some Famiran flowers which I made myself, a piece of string, some die cut leaves, and ribbon. I've got also that ribbon which is how would you call it? Oh, I don't know. But what I'm going to say is that I am adding the tag with the butterfly as my little third layer, and then on top of that I'm sticking on that ribbon. And actually what I wanted to say is just you could skip that step, because my composition was so large that at the end you cannot even really see see it, so it's not necessary to add it here. On top of that ribbon I am adding sisal, which is like a fiber, like a hairy stuff, and I will link that and other products as well underneath the video. So if you are looking for something, check the description box, or you can always ask me, I will try to answer. So I did add a little bit of ink. I used Distress Ink Vintage Photo just to give a shade on the edges of my elements. And also sometimes when I cut out the elements out of the paper, I do not go very near the edge of the image, so when you will ink that, then everything blends nicely. And for my leaves, I use Lady Design dies, leaves 003 and leaf 5. I really like those leaves. These are quite big leaves, so for people who, like me, loves bigger flowers, especially the leaf 3. There are 2 leaves in the set, just they are like mirror image, so when you have that, you die cut 2 at the time, and I really like them, but these are quite large. Obviously you can use whatever you've got at home, very similar items. I'm just showing how you can create that composition just for people who struggle with putting elements together. So as you could see, I used a little bit of cardboard for my elements. For the beetle and for the spider you can use double-sided foam pads as well, just to give it again dimension, just to make it 3D. I really liked when the cards are dimensional and they've got lots of texture, and it will repeat in most of my videos. If you are new to my channel, please watch other videos if you obviously like this one. And I also have many flower making videos, so I'm going to add a little playlist here for my flower making videos. You will see like like a little button on in the right top corner. If you go there, then you'll be able to open the playlist with Miran flowers. Mostly some are paper, but with flower making videos. Okay, back to my card. I pretty arranged everything already. So I've got my flowers, and I created the flowers especially for that card because I wanted them quite light, just with a little bit of pink. And I'm adding the little piece of the wooden slice. I bought this, I don't remember now where, but I will try to find where I bought those. There were like a pack of those wooden slices. And this card, it's all about the nature, flowers, and bugs. I hate bugs, by the way. So for me, I think it's first time in my card making life I'm adding a spider or a beetle or anything like that to the card, because I never created with those elements. I thought, it's time. I have to challenge myself because I really like the colors of that collection, and I thought, why not to use those elements? Well, and I must say I am really happy with the result. I love the card. It is very, very pretty, and I thought, there must be people who like bugs, so maybe that would be card for them. So I have used a brown string, which I tied few knots on it, and then I'm attaching it in few places, but I want to see it, so I'm not tacking it, very like just a little bit underneath the flowers, but I can see those hanging off beads. It's just lovely. And actually, it's almost all, so I didn't use many elements on the card here. I will add a little bit of glitter, and also I found really nice wooden gems, you could say. So I'm going to add this, and then my card will be ready. And it was great fun to create it, and I hope you will like it. It is very similar to my other cards, but it's different because of the theme of it. So I hope you will enjoy the video. And I also want to thank you very, very much for all the lovely comments I receive underneath the videos. It is very motivating for me to keep going and to make more videos for you, to share my experience, my love for card making, flower making, and for mixed media. It's just so rewarding that I cannot even describe, but thank you very, very much for your support. So I found a little sentiment which says explore, and I think it's perfect for that card. I'm going to add that, and a little bit of glitter, which is like a brown golden color, and I'm adding glitter just very near the flowers, around the flowers, so I have something sparkle going on there. And then those wooden gems, and that's it. The card is ready. I hope you like it, because I do love it. It's not very often I like my creations so much, but this one is yeah, it's great. Thank you very, very much for watching and for coming back to my channel, and for everything else. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.